Come along with us on a cozy autumn adventure to a local pumpkin farm. In this video, we explore the farm's picturesque pumpkin patch filled with pumpkins of all shapes, sizes, and colors. Watch as we pick the perfect pumpkins, enjoy hayrides through scenic fields, and wander through a whimsical corn maze. You can even meet some friendly farm animals along the way. Whether you're looking for ideas for Halloween decorations or just want to soak in the fall vibes, this pumpkin farm visit is sure to get you in the autumn spirit. Join us for a fun day of fall festivities, games, and lots of pumpkin fun.